What makes avocado special? Avocado is one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can add to your diet. Unlike most fruits that are high in sugar, avocados are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. This makes them an excellent choice for heart health, weight management, and overall wellness. Calories, 240. Total fat, 21 g, 15 g monounsaturated, heart healthy. Protein, 3 g. Carbohydrates, 12 g. Fiber, 10 g, nearly 40% of daily needs. Potassium, 700 mg, more than a banana. Folate, 20% daily requirement. Vitamin K, supports blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin E and C, strong antioxidants for skin and immunity. Magnesium, helps muscle and nerve function. Top health benefits of avocados. Number 1. Supports heart health. Monounsaturated fats reduce bad LDL cholesterol and increase good HDL cholesterol. Potassium helps maintain normal blood pressure. Number 2. Improves digestion. High fiber keeps your gut healthy, prevents constipation, and supports a balanced microbiome. Number 3. Weight management and satiety. Fiber plus healthy fats keep you full for longer, reducing unnecessary snacking. Number 4. Boosts brain function. Folate improves memory, and vitamin E protects brain cells from oxidative stress. Number 5. Enhances skin and hair health. Vitamin C helps collagen production. Vitamin E and healthy fats nourish your skin, keeping it youthful and glowing. Number 6. Great for eye health. Contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect against eye diseases like macular degeneration. Easy and delicious avocado recipes. Number 1. Classic avocado toast. Toast whole grain bread. Mash half an avocado and spread evenly. Sprinkle salt, pepper, chili flakes, and a drizzle of olive oil. Optional, add sliced boiled eggs, tomato, or smoked salmon. Perfect for breakfast or a quick snack. Number 2. Avocado smoothie. 1/2 ripe avocado. 1 banana. 1 cup almond milk or regular milk. 1 teaspoon honey. Ice cubes. Blend until creamy and enjoy a refreshing, nutrient-packed smoothie. Great for post-workout recovery or a filling midday drink. Number 3. Quick guacamole dip. 2 ripe avocados, mashed. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 1 tomato, chopped. Fresh coriander leaves. Juice of 1 lime. Pinch of salt and pepper. Mix and serve with tortilla chips, veggie sticks, or as a side with grilled meat/fish. A party favorite that's also healthy. Number 4. Avocado salad bowl. Dice 1 avocado, 1 cucumber, 1 tomato, and 1/2 onion. Add fresh lettuce or spinach leaves. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice.